Want to get this show ad-free? Head to dailytechnewsshow.com/subscribe to find out how.
Your old or broken phone can let you down when you need it most.
Perfect.
But at Verizon, trade in any old phone from our top brands and get the most for it, up to $2,000 in value, for an amazing new iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence and a new line on My Plan, and iPad and Apple Watch Series 10. That's like a 3-for-1. And you can get it on any plan. At Verizon, trade in your old phone for a brand new iPhone 16 Pro, iPad, and Apple Watch. The other guys won't give you that. Visit Verizon.com today. Additional terms apply. Service plan required for Apple Watch and iPad. Up to $2,000 value based on iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch.
Does it ever feel like you're a marketing professional just speaking into the void? Well, with LinkedIn ads, you can know you're reaching the right decision makers. You can even target buyers by job title, industry, company, seniority, skills. Wait, did I say job title yet? Get started today and see how you can avoid the void and reach the right buyers with LinkedIn ads. We'll even give you a $100 credit on your next campaign. Get started at linkedin.com/results. Terms and conditions apply.
Everyone's talking about AI these days, right? It's changing how we work, how we learn, and how we interact with the world at a tremendous pace. It's a gold rush at the frontier, but if we're not careful, we might end up in a heap of trouble. Red Hat's podcast this season on Compiler is diving deep into how AI is reshaping the world we live in. From the ethics of automation to the code behind machine learning, it's breaking down the requirements, capabilities, and implications of using AI. Check out the new season of Compiler, an original podcast from Red Hat. Subscribe now wherever you get your podcasts.
These are the Daily Tech Headlines for Thursday, March 27th, 2025. I'm Rob Dunwood. OpenAI has delayed the release of ChatGPT's built-in image generator for free users due to unexpected popularity. The image generation tool, powered by the GPT-4o reasoning model, was launched on Tuesday and allows users to create images directly within the app. Since then, users have been sharing images generated in the style of Studio Ghibli on social media. GPT-4o improves text rendering and uses an autoregressive approach to image generation, generating images from left to right and top to bottom. While currently available to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Team subscribers, it's unclear when free users will have access. Google is now making a significant change to how it develops new versions of the Android operating system. While Android will remain open source, the development process will become less transparent, as all future work will be done in Google's internal branch instead of the public-facing channels used previously. This shift means that only Google and companies with a Google Mobile Services license will have access to development branches, whereas before anyone could access the AOSP branch and see the updates. YouTube is changing how it counts Shorts views to match TikTok and Instagram's method. Starting March 31st, views will be counted whenever a short starts playing, potentially increasing view counts. YouTube believes this will provide creators with a deeper understanding of their Shorts performance, helping them with content strategy and partnerships. While the change aligns view counts across platforms, YouTube will still track the old metric as engaged views for earnings and partner program eligibility. Cassava Technologies, owned by the Zimbabwean billionaire Steve Masiyiwa, is partnered with NVIDIA to create Africa's first AI factory, a specialized facility for AI computing. The factory will utilize NVIDIA's advanced AI technology and supercomputers with GPUs to provide AI as a service across the continent. Cassava plans to launch the service in South Africa by June 2025 and expand to other African countries, including Egypt, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. The initiative will leverage Cassava's extensive fiber optic network and energy-efficient data centers. U.S. President Donald Trump expressed willingness to reduce tariffs on China to facilitate a deal with ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, for the sale of the popular short video app to a non-Chinese buyer. ByteDance faces an April 5th deadline to find a buyer or risk a U.S. ban due to national security concerns surrounding data collection and potential Chinese government influence. Trump acknowledged China's role in any deal and offered a tariff reduction as an incentive, while also stating its willingness to extend the deadline if needed. TikTok did not immediately comment on the matter. OpenAI is adopting Anthropic's Model Context Protocol across its products, including the ChatGPT desktop app. MCP is an open source standard that enhances AI model responses by enabling them to access data from various sources such as business tools, software, and content repositories. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman expressed enthusiasm for MCP, highlighting its popularity and the company's commitment to integrating it into their offerings, including the Agents SDK and Responses API. Google is launching new AI-powered features in Search, Maps, and Gemini to assist users with summer vacation planning. These features aim to compete with tools like ChatGPT, which have become popular for trip planning. AI overviews in Google Search will now provide trip ideas for specific regions or countries, allowing users to search for itineraries based on interests like nature. Users can browse photos, reviews, and locations on an expandable map, and then export their itinerary to Docs or Gmail, or save it as a custom list in Google Maps. Vivaldi and Proton have partnered to integrate the free version of Proton VPN directly into the Vivaldi browser. This integration allows Vivaldi users to browse the web privately without downloading a separate VPN. Accessible by logging into a Vivaldi account, the feature is currently limited to the desktop version of the browser. The free Proton VPN offers connections to servers in 5 randomly selected countries and provides medium VPN speed. Users also have the option to upgrade to a paid Proton VPN subscription starting at $10 per month, which includes faster speeds, access to servers in over 110 countries, and additional features. And finally, Instacart is launching a new feature called Store View that will allow shoppers to earn money by taking videos of store shelves. The videos will help Instacart determine product availability and restock times, improving the accuracy of their predictive models and enhancing the customer experience by providing more accurate information about product availability for orders placed in advance. Instacart confirmed that they were testing this feature earlier this year and plan to launch it with select retailers in the coming weeks, with a broader rollout across US and Canada planned for 2025. For analysis of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you enjoyed the show, remember to tell a friend to check us out. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.
Hey, you know what would make your customer service help desk way better? Dumping it and then switching to Intercom. But you're not quite ready to make that change. We get it. That's why Finn, the world's leading AI customer service agent, is now available on every help desk. Finn can instantly resolve up to 80% of your tickets, which makes your customers happier and gets you off the customer service rep hiring treadmill. Finn by Intercom, the leading customer service AI agent, now available on every help desk.
Does it ever feel like you're a marketing professional just speaking into the void? Well, with LinkedIn ads, you can know you're reaching the right decision makers. You can even target buyers by job title, industry, company, seniority, skills. Wait, did I say job title yet? Get started today and see how you can avoid the void and reach the right buyers with LinkedIn ads. We'll even give you a $100 credit on your next campaign. Get started at linkedin.com/results. Terms and conditions apply.